Welcome to Rejuvenate Nation, where my goal is to help you get fit and fine without wasting time. Today, I'm going to show you 8 oblique exercises that you can do at home for about 15 to 20 minutes. But before we get started, if you're having problems with motivation and inspiration and you need help, just click the link in my description section for my free 5-day Get Moving, Get Motivated challenge. Right now, ladies, we're going to work on these obliques, so let's get it. All right, before we work out, of course, we got to warm up. So the first exercise we're going to do, we're going to reach up, touch our knees, toes. All right, we have this 8 times, okay? Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 2 more. 7, last one. 8. Good job. All right, the next warm-up exercise, we have jumping jacks. If you can't do the regular jumping jacks, you can stand and just bring your legs out at the same time. You'll get the same effect. Ready? We have 8. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, the next exercise we have alternating crunches. All right, we're going to do this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. All right, last warm-up exercise, push-ups. All right, so you're gonna get down slowly on your knees, keeping your back straight, your head straight. All right, and you're just gonna go all the way down, back up. All right, we have this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, so those are the 4 warm-up exercises. You're gonna do this 2 rounds, take a break in between, get some water, and we're gonna start the workout in just a moment. All right, ladies, welcome back from the warm-up. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the workout. All right, so you're gonna bring your hand on the back of your head, and you can hold your weight. Right now, I'm holding a 10-pound plate, but whatever you have at home, you can use it, or you can just not use any weights. You'll still get that effect on your obliques, okay? All right, so we're gonna go to the side, keeping your arms straight. We're gonna do this 8 times, okay? We got each side, starting on the right. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're gonna do the opposite side and keeping your stomach sucked in. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, now we're gonna do around the world, okay? So we're gonna take your plate, your weight, whatever you're using, and you're gonna go around. That's 1. We have this 8 times each side. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. All right, and you're gonna reverse, same thing, 8 times. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, take a break, get some water, we'll be right back. All right, ladies, welcome back from your break. All right, so this exercise, we're gonna do side to side. We got hip taps, all right? So if you can't do it like this, you can do it on your knees and tap side to side, all right? But if you can, you'll be up like this and tap, tap. All right, we have this 8 times. Ready? We're gonna start on the right. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one, 8. Good job. All right, the next exercise we're gonna do, side plank holds. All right, so you're gonna be up just like this, and you're gonna stay up just like this for about 12 seconds, okay? Ready? Let's get it. All right, and down. All right, on the other side, gonna lift up. We got 12 seconds. All right, go ahead, take a break, get some water. We'll be right back. All right, welcome back from your break. All right, so now we're standing. All right, we're gonna put both hands on the back of our head, and we're gonna bring our leg up and do a slight crunch, okay, on the side. All right, so we'll do this 8 times, and we have this each side 8 times, okay? We're gonna go ahead and start. Right side first. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one, 8. All right, now we're going on the left side. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one, 8. All right, so this time we're gonna stand and we're gonna bring our opposite knee to opposite elbow. We have this 8 times. All right, we're gonna start with the right leg, left arm. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, opposite side. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, go ahead and take a break, and we'll be right back with the last 2 exercises. All right, ladies, welcome back. So the last 2 exercises, you're gonna get down on the floor. All right, we have mountain climbers, okay? If you can't do it that way, you can just do it like this. Bring your knee all the way up. All right, so we got this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, the last one. Pretty much like a mountain climber, but we're bringing our knee to opposite elbow, okay? We got this 8 times. So ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one, 8. Good job. All right, ladies, that completes the workout for today. Make sure you do that 2 rounds. Taking a break, getting water, and using the amount of weight that's comfortable for you. And again, if you're having problems with motivation and inspiration, click that link. Let me help you get motivated, and I'll keep you inspired. Until then, I'll see you ladies on the next workout.